In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make columns and sections in Notion. To get started, open the Notion page where you want to build your layout. This can be a brand new page or an existing one that you want to organize a little better. Columns are useful when you want information to sit side by side instead of stacking in one long vertical list, and sections help make everything easier to scan. Once your page is open, create your first section. You can do this by typing a heading or adding the content you want to appear in that first area. For example, this might be a title, a short paragraph, a checklist, or any other block. The main goal here is to place the first piece of content that will become the left side of your column layout. Next, create the second section by adding another heading or content block below the first one. At this point, both sections will still appear one under the other, which is completely normal. Notion starts with a vertical structure, and then you can rearrange blocks into columns. Now hover over the second block and look for the 6-dot handle on the side. Click and hold that handle to drag the block. As you move it, be careful not to release too early. You want to drag it to the right of the first section. Keep moving until you see a vertical blue line appear. That blue line is the visual signal that Notion is ready to place the block in a new column. When you see that vertical blue line, release the block. As soon as you drop it, Notion will create a second column. You should now have your first section on the left and your second section on the right. If you want more than 2 columns, repeat the same process with additional blocks. Drag them beside the existing columns until the placement guide appears, then drop them into position. This is the easiest way to build a multi-column layout for dashboards, notes, planning pages, or content organization. After your columns are in place, start adding content to each one. You can insert text, images, databases, or other blocks depending on what you need. Each column can hold its own mix of content, so you have a lot of flexibility. If the spacing doesn't look quite right, hover between the columns and drag the divider to resize them. This helps you give more room to important content and keep the page balanced. Finally, organize your sections by adding headings and content within each column. This creates clear, separate areas and makes your page look much cleaner and more intentional. Thanks for watching.